What's up guys, this is Sudeep SD here back with another video, and this is the MI-A3. It's been my daily driver for some time now, and as beautiful as it is in this white color, I really think that this is a very fragile phone. Made out of glass on the back and a metal frame, I seriously needed a case which could protect it but also stay stylish and unique at the same time. And I always have loved skin cases, so I started looking for it and I stumbled upon a brand called as Rig Gear, who make proper quality skin cases here in India, and I went ahead and bought it for my phone and I was super impressed. So I thought, why not make a video about it, and this is the product of that. So we'll get started with the unboxing first, and the unboxing experience itself was pretty great. I mean, it came in a simple box which was well made, and inside it was the microfiber cloth along with the skins for my camera module which I ordered about 4, so that was inside it, and then came the case itself. I ordered a black camo skin for the finish of this case, and I was super impressed with this thing. So overall, the packaging and the box content is what you order, so that is pretty great. And before we get further into the video itself, there's something which I need to talk about. I judge a case's finish by 3 things: fit and finish, the second thing would be protection, and the third thing would be uniqueness. So we'll go with the flow and talk about fit and finish first. So the overall fit and finish of this product for the price you pay for it is actually super good. No complaints at all. They're actually super good. The skin has a premium quality, and being a fan of the Grip series by D brand, which are also skinned cases, I really wanted something like this here in India, and finally when I did find this, and after purchasing it, I don't think I made a wrong decision. The skins are also made out of the 3M based skins, so quality is not being compromised over here. And one more thing I really loved about these skin cases is that the attention to detail. The MI-A3 has a speaker unit on the farthermost end of the screen, and most of the cases before this had absolutely neglected this design language, but this took that into consideration and it flows with it. And talking about fit and finish, we need to talk about the overall in-hand quality, and it did not be affected at all. It was not that bulky, as I told you earlier. It fits snug around the phone, and that also offers protection at the same time. And talking about protection, I was really not sure how I would be explaining this point, but fortunately, right when I was actually shooting this part of the video, it fell from a considerable height of 4.5 feet, and it did survive the fall. No stuff happened to the phone at all, and the phone was pretty safe. So I can say this is a good protective case too. And coming to the last point of being unique, I do think that skins are pretty much unique by itself, and that coupled with being on a case is something which I've always loved. So overall, transferring from a very premium white glass look to a very stealthy black look was something which I did not expect I would be doing, but I did, and it really does give a different look to my phone. So yeah, after buying this from Rig Gear, I would totally recommend it for anybody out there. And yeah, this was the review of the Rig Gear cases. I really like them. If you do want it, you can go ahead and get them. I bought the black camo variant, but if you do go onto their website, there's a lot of stuff you can explore about. You have just cases or just skins if you do want to buy them. You have different kind of models, and by models I mean there is a huge wide range, and recent models are also listed over there. So if you do own recent phones such as the OnePlus 8 or the OnePlus 8 Pro 2, you can seriously go get them. And after selecting your model, it's pretty much simple. Choose the finish you want: carbon fiber, marble, or camo, whatever you want. There's also McLaren edition for the OnePlus, so yeah, you can go get that. Really would recommend for anybody out there. So yeah, I thought of making the video and I did. This is the product of it, as I told you. And if you've stuck till here, I hope you really did like the video and the content I'm showing you right here. And if you do like the video, give it a like, and if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on my social handles which I've listed right here, and if you have anything about collaborations or if you want to know more about me, you can visit my website at www.sudeepsd.com. So yeah, until I meet you on the next one, this is Sudeep SD signing out. Peace out.